Welcome back to episode 3 of my steel shelving build. Got my shelves here back from the powder coater, and that has been an adventure, let me tell you. I'm glad that I haven't released the episodes earlier because there would be a huge gap in getting these. And what happened was, as the shelves sat over at my buddy Jim's place while he was building the woodwork, everybody who stopped by his place loved the raw steel look of where I'd stripped that protective coating off the steel and it was just raw metal. Everybody loved it, including the wife. So we decided, well, it's hard to get that in a powder coat. So we go take them to the powder coater, we're looking at colors, tell them what we want, we're like, well, you know, we do have a clear powder coat, but all of this steel, that protective coating has to come off. So I spent 2 weeks stripping that coating off. Now also it's clear, so that the finish work has to be even better. So I worked my butt off cleaning the steel up real nice. Really happy with them. Take them over to the guy and he has to order the clear. In the meantime, at some point, he moved the shelves outside, and one of them flash rusted. But then they cleared over it. So 2 weeks of my life got thrown away. There's no fixing it. So the next option was to sandblast them, get them powder coated. So we didn't get exactly what we want, but I'm actually happy with what we got. Let me show you here what I have. Alright, so what this color is called, it's a Prismatic Powders brand powder. And the color is PMB-2811, which is a Pacific Silver, and it's a satin finish. We didn't want a glossy, we were looking for a satin or a matte, and we found this one. So, it's not real shiny. It does have a metallic to it, but it is very low key. So I'm really happy with how these look. Overall, just really happy with it. So it does kind of, one of the advantages of getting powder coaters, it does fill in any little voids pretty nicely. It's going to be a nice durable finish, so hopefully it should last a long time. The only last thing I had to do was put my little feet in the bottom. They're from China on Craigslist, and of course they didn't fit right, so I had to modify them, but easy enough. And here we are. This is the finished product. Absolutely love how it turned out. Especially with the wood. Jim did an excellent job on the woodwork here. Very happy with how it turned out. And I think it complements our credenza very well. And just one little last shot. So what do you think? I hope you like them, and I hope you enjoyed the video series. I actually really enjoyed building them, and it was got to work on my welding skills, which is always fun. You might be asking, well, how much do you have in it? So total, well, I'll break it down. 200 in steel, another 300 in wood, 450 for woodwork, and then 250 with the powder coater. So I'm in it for $1,200. That's for a pair. Now remember, the furniture store wanted $1,500 each. So to get away with $1,200 for a pair, well ahead. If you're really looking to maybe do something with it as well, I will tell you, so many people want me to build them one now. And one of the cool things is you can make it whatever dimension you want. So there is a good opportunity if you wanted to do this for a living. If I were to pump the exact one out, I would make a jig. I know I could bust them out real fast then. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the series, and for my followers, I do plan on getting back to work on the 72 F100 Marquee very soon. So enjoy, take care.